Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to transfer files from your Windows PC to the root directory of the On My iPad section in the Files app, but you just can't seem to figure it out. You're running Windows 11 and iPad OS 5.8.2, and you've been scratching your head trying to find a straightforward way to get those files over. Well, don't worry. We got a solution for this little problem that'll have you transferring files in no time. In the solution provided, there isn't a direct way to copy files to the root directory of the Files app, but there is a clever workaround. By using web browsers like Brave, Chrome, or Firefox, you can leverage iTunes and the Files app on your iPad to get those files where you want them. By following the steps outlined, you can easily transfer files back and forth between your devices, making file management a breeze. It may seem a bit roundabout, but it gets the job done effectively. To sum it up, transferring files between your Windows PC and iPad's Files app doesn't have to be a headache. By using web browsers, iTunes, and the Files app in a strategic way, you can easily move files to and from the root directory of On My iPad. With a few simple steps, you'll be managing your files with ease and efficiency. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or your favorite file transfer joke. Thanks for watching.